before you turn around and walk away.
Hello my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles Live. If you're new, then hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. If you don't know, if you are watching me for the first time, I have another channel, Awesome Hairstyles, with a lot of hair tutorials. Make sure to check it out as well. As you can see from the title, today we're gonna have unboxing, review and first impressions and testing of E-litchi hair extensions. These are human hair extensions. They have all range extensions like tape-in extensions, clip-in extensions, halo hair extensions, ponytail extensions and chignon elastics. A lot of hair extensions. So on the E-litchi website you'll find a lot of range of hair extensions that you need. They have free shipping worldwide for all orders over 30 USD. These are affordable, and also I have a discount code for you. Also I'll leave it in the info bar down below so you can use it and save even more money. So without rambling, let's get started into unboxing, reviewing and testing. So here everything like always, that's me. And here even the products were gifted, guys. This is my choice first of all, and honest and personal opinion on these hair extensions. You see my color, right? This is the packaging, so cute, right? And so pinky and nice. I don't have any boxes as I can see here. Okay, and what I have here, we have here our beautiful hair. Oh my god. So three type of extensions. I'll be honest, I was wearing clip-in extensions for such a long time, and I'm even working with clip-in extensions, but I didn't have anything like halo extensions and ponytail extensions. What I have here, that's why I choose this one. I think this is more like, it's not so time consuming as clip-in extensions. Okay, let's see first what E-litchi halo extensions looks like. It came in this kind of packaging. Okay, you can see it's so pink and girly. That's a nice thing. This is a nice packaging. Of course, this is not a box, so you'll have to think afterwards how you'll pack these hair extensions so you'll not break it. But for me personally, that's not a problem because I have a lot of hair extensions and I know how to take care of them. If you want a video on that, tell me please in comments down below. So I'll share the tips and tricks with the hair extensions. But let's open now this beauty. Wow, it came with a wire. That's a nice thing. Also, you have here 10% off of my next order. Also, we have here instructions. Today we will try it. It's nice and secure. About the weight, how much it costs, I will write in the info bar and also here somewhere, so you can see. I cannot stop touching it because it's so soft and silky. Rather, my hair is a little more yellowish, so today we'll make a test, I think, with shampoo. Oh, this is my hair. I'm choosing to, this here we have instructions with, and I'm choosing basically first option. Okay, this is my color. It's platinum blonde, so as you can see, you can see the difference between my hair and extensions. So I plan to wash it with purple shampoo and I'll come back. It's more like matching my hair and I really like it. Make sure to use just little by little, not put too much shampoo to not darken too much your hair extensions. You can see it matches my hair color much more. You can see the line. I can say first of all that these is human real hair, because first time I just used a little bit of purple shampoo and every single strand of this hair were colored, so I didn't use too much. So be careful when doing this with a lighter hair especially. So I can say that I love it, even though now I have like blowout kind of hair, it's straight, so it's more noticeable that you have hair extensions, but in this case I cannot say so. With making curls or waves, I'm sure it will be just awesome. Next one, which I'm so excited to, is ponytail extension. I'm sorry for my voice. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's see what we have here. A coupon for 10% again off. I have two already. Of course, it will be nicer to take care of your extensions and to have something, to have a box or something for hair extensions, so this way you'll not break and take properly care of them. Like I said, 10% off. I have two already. Oh, some bobby pins. But guys, magic? Not really. I would make blonde bobby pins for blonde girls. Here we have a needle and with a clip for the ponytail. Just in case, again, that's a very good thing to have. Thank you, E-litchi, for thinking about this. But again, why is black? Because this is platinum blonde. I would love to have white or blondie color. Look at this. I love so much curly hair. It's nice, but I don't have curly hair. Again, it doesn't match my hair color, but that's not my mistake. Let's say so, guys. I thought better to have a little lighter color and then I'll adjust to my hair color. But you take this into account. If you are blondie, I'll recommend you to take a little lighter color and then adjust it to your hair color, because bleaching hair extensions, that's not a good idea, trust me. Better to make them a little darker rather than bleaching, okay? Don't try to bleach your hair extensions. You can color them. That's a better idea. So I'll try it first how it is, and then I'll style it and get back to you. So you can see the difference when you style your hair and then you put it as it is. But that's easy, either way. Okay, so we have here. You see? You put it like that. Flip it into the ponytail and then rub around. Like that. Okay, I'm not using any bobby pins or something because I'm just sharing that the color, I need to adjust the color, but guys, it's so effortless and easy and it stays so well. And also clip-ins are giving me a little bit of pain, you know, especially when it is near to your scalp. Clipped, oh my god, it gives like a headache and I'm like scratching my head like that. But not with these extensions, because it's attached to my own hair and it's not attached to this, it's not even touching the scalp. I was scrolling through my Facebook account and I saw a ponytail and Hello Extensions advertising. When I reached the website, it was so expensive, so it was like about 200 and more USD, and it was like nice but a little expensive. And then E-litchi reached out to me and I was so thankful and happy. So okay guys, that's our ponytail. I cannot stop touching it because it's so soft and silky and these curls are so nice. The thing that I love the most is that it matches my hair texture. I made like a blowout for, like I do for actually my hair, and it's really the texture that I have, and that's amazing because a lot of girls doesn't have really straight hair. You can of course you can color, straighten and do whatever you want, and you can see how the ponytail looks straight. It's not like smooth straight with a flat iron, but I don't like this look, that's why I didn't this. So let's wear it. I don't know which way I'll wear more, but actually I'm so excited to do some hairstyles with this, or wear it as it is because it's so easy. Again, like coupon code. I have again 10% off, and again some other things, but again black. And chignon bun here. It's a platinum blonde again color. Okay, we'll try it, but I think this beautiful bun needs a little bit of purple shampoo too. So you can see how it looks without styling and without adjusting to your hair color. I would say so. I will teach you, say, first tip, when choosing your hair extensions, make sure to use a color a little bit lighter than yours. One. Second tip is to have a shampoo that matches your hair color. If you don't know, so on the market you can find not only purple shampoo for blondies, you can find even sandy blonde shampoos, and for brunettes as well, brown shampoo you can find, and for red ones of course too, because as we are coloring our hair is bright and vibrant, but with time it goes out and the hair is dull. So for this purpose we are using this kind of shampoo, this coloring shampoo. So basically make sure to use shampoo and not masks, otherwise with masks you can make some spots on your hair and on hair extensions as well. So use some hair shampoos and make sure to distribute it well and leave it for 3 minutes and then rinse it out and style like usual. So I'll show you how I would wear it the most easiest way. On Awesome Hairstyles channel I'll show you so many ways how to use this thing, so make sure to check out Awesome Hairstyles channel as well. So basically you grab all your hair like into a little ponytail, because this is plastic. Grab your hair, tie it once, flip it like half the through and hold it with your big finger like I'm showing here, and then as you can see you want to turn it, bring your hair again back like that. This is the way I want it for today. You know, they look like you woke up and you're ready to go. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. Thank you E-litchi Hair Extensions for sponsoring this video and sending me these awesome hair extensions. Don't forget to check out the info bar for the code to use it and have your affordable hair extensions even for a better price. Also, make sure to check out of course their website and see all the range of their hair extensions that are so affordable. Don't forget to check out Awesome Hairstyles channel for more hairstyles with each of these hair extensions. But guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new of course, and encourage me to make more videos like that and show my life more with you. I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!